So okay, let's start class. So
Starts.
yesterday I have discussed dimension. So today we discuss also dimension, but today we discuss all options. Okay. So first we go here dimension and select dimension style. And here we do setting. So setting means here NA2 and extended two settings are. But if you want to manage projector with different style dimension line, dimension text, dimension style, so we have to create multiple styles here. So process is same new click here. So we are give here suppose D1 give continue. So here lines. So lines we have two type of lines. This is called dimension lines and that is called extension line. So dimension line which color needs, so we can change here. Extension line which color needs, so this one can change. After that, line type, which type you want to line is if you want dimension line dotted coming, so other and here go load. So here you can load different type of line. After that, here I have it suppress. Suppress means if you want to don't arrow come this side, so you can suppress this side. If you this side also don't come, so this one can check this one. Same extension line 1, extension line 2. So these two type have. So this one line type what you need if you are dotted, so you can go other and this way can load here. Otherwise here line weight, both line thickness how much coming, this one can be changed. Suppress extension 1, suppress extension 2. So this side if you don't want, so unchecked. This one also so can uncheck. Okay. Now here extend beyond dim lines. So this means this arrow to this back side line how much go. So we can put here extend beyond dim lines. Suppose here type here 4 and this side how much offset you can put here 2. Same we go arrow. So we have two type arrow, first one and second one. So if you want to both same use select the same options. Otherwise if you want to second different coming, so you can select a different option. Okay. So one side different coming, one side different coming. Now here we can put a arrow size, suppose 10 foot. So again go here text. So here text is color which one? That one selected. Text height which one? Suppose 15 mm give. Now here centered have. So centered means this type centered text coming. If you select above, so above coming. Same here outside. So outside going. This different style have. So you can select any options. So better you select center. After that here alignment have align with and ISO standard. So these two options you can select anyone. Now primary unit. So primary unit if UN interface you have setting to decimal. So here just we select decimal. And after digit how many digit need? So you can put here this one. And this is the simple one setting and we can click here OK. Now you can't set current, otherwise you want to more add. So first UN enter here put this one decimal and here also same text and here select millimeter and OK. Again UN enter same I want to different style, different height. So again you press here D enter new. Suppose here I add D2. So D2 continue. So in D2 I want to color this one, arrow color this one, extension arrow same and text height I need suppose arrow height 20 and this baseline spacing you can put 5. This we can put here 3. That one put here 10. After that symbols and arrow. Here different have we can select same. Suppose we select here this one. This is style if you need, so you can select this one. Otherwise, if you need this one, so you can select this one. Both options you can select this one. After center mark, here circle center what coming center mark, that is you type here 5 mm. Break size also we can put here 3 mm. Next settings text. So text color here I need a green color. Text height I need here 35. Now this is all same take. Offset from origin. So this text this origin to how much distance away we can put here 2. If you select option that time this option working. Okay. Now fit nothing to do. Primary unit same. Now here measurement scale option है. So here scale factor is 1 है. Suppose you have made 10 into 10 square, and if you want to, when I present dimension, that one showing 100 into 100, 10 times showing. So we can put here 10. Okay, so if you put here scale factor 10, so our dimension 10 time increase presentation. So here always scale factor 1 use and done. So we have at 2 styles. If you want to more styles, so you can put here again new and type here D3 and continue. Same, just a color you can change and text height you can change here 50. Symbols and arrow you can change this one and arrow size I change 30 and okay. So here three options I have, three styles I have. Okay. First we can select anyone and set current use. Just close. Now this is setting hand. When you go annotation and select here dimension panel, in dimension panel all commands visible, whatever we see here in dimension. Okay, so this is linear. Here I have align, angular, arclength, radius, diameter, jog, coordinate. Same here quick dimension है. This is continuous and baseline. Other is here dimension spacing, dimension break, check, inspect. This one है. And here we can see all type है. Means annotation. Which one we have had D1, D2 and D3 and standards. And this is the only for presentation purpose. So first we create something. Suppose I create here manually. This one Control Z 100. Same again I create other things. Here I make circle. So dimension first option is quick dimension. So with quick dimension we can present line dimension and we can present radius. So quick dimension if select shortcut है dim quick. If you type DIM and Q, so that means a dimension quick option selected. Otherwise you can put here QDIM quick dimension QDIM, that is shortcut. You can note down after that press enter. So which one you have to select dimension project one time, so just this way select and press enter. When you press enter, so quick dimension we can present in one side dimension, this dimension or this dimension. Okay. So this one see one time he given. Now if you want to change this all dimension in different style, so just select and go here annotation, select here different style. D2 we can select it. Okay. So this way we can switch one style to another styles. Again, go here, selected D1 styles. Next quick dimension, select, you can put here QDIM, enter. Now select this one and enter. This way you can present radius. This radius you want to present different style, so just go here, select this style. So this way we can, if we add here different style, so anytime we can switch different style to different style. So this is different style, this is different style. Okay. If you don't put here dimension styles and you use only standards, so you can present only one style in dimension. So next option here, liner. So this shortcut you can put DLI. DLI enter. After that you give start point and you give end point and just click here this way. Same if we have this type line. I want to present this diagonal length. So diagonal length means if you put here dimension linear options, so you can present only horizontal vertical. But if you need on incline coming, so you put DAL. DAL means dim align coming this way. Now here match property I already explained before. So match property you select, just select this style and select match this one. So this is match property means we can switch one style to different style. So this is the dim align. After that, here arc length है. So arc length means suppose this arc length I need means what is straight length, how much length. So just here go shortcut है D mark. DIMA arc. D mark it. After that select and enter this way. Select and just click outside. So this is the total length है, straight length. Okay. When you this one hold, so that length coming 433.7. If you want to switch, just match property, select this property to match this one. Next, ordinate. So ordinate means it depends on this coordinate point. Okay. So if you make here something and if you want to know this is what coordinate point, you can present here x how much, y how much. So that one using ordinate dimension. Just click this point. So this will go x direction. This will go y direction. So one by one we can present it both time. So next one here I have radius. So if we have arc, we have circle. So this way we can present here radius also. So if you want to switch different style, go annotations, here go, and you can switch different styles. So again, dimension. So radius shortcut है DRA, and this we can present. Same DRA enter, after this circle also can present. So DRA means dim radius. If you want to present diameter, so diameter shortcut have this shortcut have DDI. Okay. So you put here DDI enter. Now just select this one. You can see this is diameter column. Okay. Same the diameter we can present this one, so we can present diameter. So 81.3 so multiplies 162.37 coming. After that same here job hai. So this one understand. Suppose we have this type arc. Don't go here, let's look at this type we have big arc. Okay, we have to present this radius. Suppose this you select, so radius center, this center from here. But we have to present only this area radius. So in this situation, we can use job dot. Okay, exact center not present. We can give custom centers, but radius exact coming. So this is job option. So job option shortcut है dim job tag. You can go here. You can put here dim job. Okay. So shortcut है DIMJ enter. So first select arc. So this is showing original center. So you don't take original center. Okay. So we give here this one. So this is manual center give means this way job line created. That is the job. Okay. So which location you want to this text place, just click again. Now you put this fix this job positions. Okay. So this is where set job dimension. Now you check here radius options. You see same radius coming. But this is only for presentation purpose. Means actual center coming here, but we have presented this one. This line means that is center not here, that is go back side here. Okay. Next option है angular. So if you want to know this line to this line how much degree है, so you just dim angular select shortcut है DIMANG dim ANG. After that select first object, select second object. So this way goes. So this angle showing. If you go this direction, so this angle showing. If you come this direction, so this angle showing. So which angle you want to present, that direction cursor take and click again. Same DIMAN enter. Select this line, select this line. So this we can present angle. Next option है baseline and continue. This is important है. So baseline what है? First we create something. Okay. So if you want to use direct baseline, so this command not working. Okay. Same if you select quick dimension continuous, that is also not working. So baseline and continuous option, both it depends on other options. Okay. So must if you have present any linear dimension, any arc dimension, and this one you want to continue. So that time you can use this option. So this one means this different car is coming and this is different style coming. So first we present one dimension. Suppose this one I present and here just to make here one dimension I have presented here. Okay. Now I want to use baseline option. So baseline option if you want to use, so you can type DIMB, okay, DIMB enter. So when you DIMB enter, that is see here, starting point select this one and we have to give only second point. So here we give second point. Same if you want to third point, so we can give next point. We can give next point. Okay. So here any point different type, but starting point he taking this one. So this is the baseline option. And you can press enter. Suppose this way. Now you see all dimension overlap coming. Okay. So overlap coming. If you want to by default here spacing coming, maintain coming. So just D enter inside go and here you see lines, baseline spacing here. So this one if you change this time, so that is not working. Okay. So this is starting time you set, so that is space maintain coming. But we have not set a starting time. Now we have present. This time I want to change the spacing between two dimension line. So here I have dim space options. So dim space option, dimension space option means we type DIM. So we type here DIM SP. Okay, DIM SP type. First, this way you cannot select. You have to select one by one. If you down to up select, so it is spacing increase means that one going this direction. If you select up to down, so spacing value is increase means this way shifting. Okay. So better is down to up selected and in sequence selected first, second, third, and fourth. After that you press enter. Now he asking space view. So space suppose I type here 50 and just press enter. You see all dimension value spacing between two dimensions is becoming 50. If you want to increase more, so DIMSP enter again select one by one this and space I type here 100. So 100 means not 100 extend. First 50, now 100 means balance 50 increase. So this is total 100 here. Okay, if you want to check, so you can check here. This is 100. Okay. So this way we can manage spacing. Same, I use here this side one linear and I use here what dim base again DIMB enter. So you'll see again content coming this way. Again you want to manage your space, so what it DIMSP. After that DIMSP enter. Select this one, select, press enter. Type here 150. So this way you have to manage space. Now next option I have continue. So continue understand means we select one more again and here we can present this one. So continue means DIMCO enter. So when I interface, you see he at second endpoint start point making. So we have to do this next point and we have to next point and we have to do next point. So here see this dimension he printed one by one separate project. But here see all starting from origin. Okay. So first starting points only 80 different, but here we have separate. So this way two type have continuous and base. So which one you want to use? So you can present dimension. Now we have ordinate option. So here ordinate used. Suppose I use this one. Okay. Now again here we continue. So continue is this point, this point, this point, and this point. Okay, this way. So this means this. Same the direction I want to present, so we can use continue coordinate and so this one also in position 0 to different location. This whole and this whole and this whole and this whole x axis y axis. So we have to present both direction dimension. So if you want to figure this direction present only figure, so you can present the coordinate and use continue or base options. Now here dimension next option dimension break. So dimension break means suppose here you see this line and this line automatic cross each other. I want to create here something space means here not cross something twin coming automatic twin coming. So we can use here dimension break also. So shortcut have dim break. Just type DIMBR. Enter. After that select which dimension you want to break. Select this one. Push. Select and enter press. Now see automatic this one break coming. These break size inside have dimension style. Modify dimension break. Okay. This is break size here. Okay. So this one is starting time set, so that is automatic updated. So this one, when you change value, one time you put set current, so that is updated. Now if you want manually use, okay. So manually use means just dim break use. After that, select dimension line, and here we can use a manual option. So you can just press M enter. Now M enter press means we use first point and we use second point. So this way we can manual break this one. Now we have break dimension used, but I am not satisfied this break styles. Okay, so if you want to remove, so again use here dimension break option. Just select this one and one time press R enter, and that is the original form coming. Okay. Now next option here है multi leader. So multi leader what है? So multi leader before understanding we have to raise a multi leader style. Suppose we make here this one, and here we make one circle. And we go here array use polar array select and enter. So I want to write here something that is 6 dia specificity and this quantity. Okay, so if you want to write something, so we use here multi-leader options. So we use here multi-leader options. When you click and just object click, after that you go outside, otherwise which location you want to just type and you can write here. But you see here that is arrow and text very small coming. So which way we have arranged dimension style, same way we have to add multi-leader also. So multi-leader also we will go format and here have multi-leader styles. So multi-leader style click. Now you will same pattern have you want to click new. You type LED-1 that is leader 1. Continue. Now here three tab have. Okay. So leader format, leader structure, lead content. So leader format means here we can choose color, this arrow color, and this is line type, and this is the thickness how much. Same here arrow have. So which arrow you want to take this one. So this one, this arrow size how much you want to here break size hai. So break size if coming by default you take, so that is how much coming. We can put here 5. Otherwise break size no need. Now leader structure. So leader structure means first I click on object, second I click outside, after that again click that time text coming. So that is leader structure complete in 3 steps. Okay. If I click here object and click outside, so that means 2 step text coming. Okay. So you can more structure format can use. Now here are first segment angle, second segment angle. So if you put here this one, so that means when I click object, so by default first leader going 45 degree. So you can put here select 45 degree put. Okay. Second angle when I click again next point so down go automatic 128 degree. That means go here and go automatic this way. Okay. But if this one set, so you cannot go here, you cannot go this side. Okay. So that's why this one no use. Next leading setting, so that is automatically including. So this one no need. Annotative scale, same you want to same, okay? Because which value have present, that one automatic same coming. If you want to scale coming, annotative scale not value. Suppose Here leader structure 10 है, 15 set. Okay, when I present screen coming 30, 40. So 30 means scale factor is 2. So you can put here normal, no problem. Content. So this is text what coming? Multi-line text coming. Okay. Now here text color what you need. So you can put here text color. Now text coming keep horizontal. Okay. So here we select keep horizontal. This way coming. Color already said. Text height. Suppose I keep 50. If you want to frame coming text, so you can put here frame. So frame no need, so you can go with frame. Now leader connection, that is horizontal attachment. Okay. If you vertically attachment means this way coming. So we select here horizontal attachment. Now just finish setting. Okay. So this is leader one style. Suppose next option I want to LED 2. Leader 2 continue. Here only we complete leader structure. Suppose I want to complete in 2 steps. So we can put here 2 steps. Otherwise you want to 4, so 4. Leader content height you want to suppose here 60. Otherwise you type 100. So you put 100. Leader format come. You put here leader structure 25 and just okay. So we have two settings. So first annotative, which is leader 1, leader 2, and last is standard. So I select here leader 1 and just put set correct and close. So if you use here dimension multi-leader and click on object, you see same which one I have set that one coming. Now first I have click. So first step follow. Second step again click. See text no coming. So because we in this setting leader structure complete in 3 steps. Okay. So first here click, second here click. Now we go third option click. If you want to go horizontal, so you can activate auto and just click. So when you 3 times click, now text coming. So you type the text this way. Okay. This way can present. Now again, I want to different leader use. Okay. So you go here and a tattoo format. This leader selected and you can switch here leader 2. Okay. So this is leader 1 and you can select here leader 2. Same way you can change same dimension style. How many style add here dimension style? Same how many style you leader style, so you can switch here anytime. Now go here format and leader structure go. Now this time this LED2 sets as a current. This one click set current and close. This is structure I have taken 4 times. Okay. So this means now you select here multi leader. Now click first time, now go second time, now go third time, and now go fourth time. So this is my fourth steps. So if you select fourth step, so this is completely fourth step. Okay. So this will have multi-leader. Now here in the panel coming, now here I have add leader. So if you want to add leader, just click add leader and then select this leader and just which location you want to present, just this way can present. Okay. This way. But this one also incomplete in 4 steps. Okay. So that's it better. You make minimum take 3 steps and press enter. Same remove leader, so just select and which one you just enter, select interface. Okay, so that is remove and add leader. Next here dimension I have tolerance. So tolerance understand first. So this is one soft head and that is length coming this one. Okay, so tolerance means suppose we have to manufacture 1076 mm. Okay, but if you manufacturing proper, so every time not coming 1076, sometimes coming 1075, 86, 80, 85, 90, sometimes coming 1076.123 this type. Okay, so means if we take one value, so that is not possible. So how much variation we can manage, that one value can present in with tolerance options. So we go here dimension and select tolerance. So just symbols here, different styles here. Okay. So this is the position symbols. Position means if you have, and this is the concentration symbol means you have making two holes same center. So that center position how much difference है. That is symmetrical. That is the parallel. That is perpendicular. That is the angularity. That is profile. That is the flatness symbol. That is the roundness symbol. Okay. and that is the length symbols, that is the round profile tolerance symbol, that is the arc type. So this is only geometric symbol hai. So suppose here I have to manage length symbol, so just select this length symbol, and tolerance value give here first tolerance value. Suppose upper limit, lower limit. So 1075 point give here 5. Okay, and upper limit here give 1076.4, and just press here OK, and this box will present here. That means that is the upper limit, that is the lower limit, that is the upper limit. So if this shaft length value same between these two value have, so that is okay. Okay, but if this shaft length coming 1076.8, so that is the rejected piece. Okay, so this is the tolerance value. This way we can present tolerance. Now if you want to by default coming tolerance every value, so you can put here dimension style. Okay, so dimension styles, go modify this one, and here go alternate units tolerance is here. So we can put here, if you want to symmetrical, so that is symmetrical coming. So we put only one value. Suppose here put a 0.5 this one, and just press OK, set current and close. So this way coming. So this way present means if you present radius, so radius also tolerance coming. Okay. So in this mode radius also tolerance coming. So this way, why about? Because every value same tolerance coming this way. But if you want different tolerance length, so radius, so we can use tolerance command. This command separate. Okay. So this one need to change. So just be enter and go modify, and these tolerances you can put here 0. No need. Okay. So you can put here done. This way. Next option here have center mark. Now here see circle है. When I present dimension, that time center mark. Okay. But if you want to permanent center mark coming, so you can select the center mark and just click here. So this is permanent center coming. Same here, if you enter here says center mark option, different option here. So just select and select circle. This way center mark coming. This is the center mark for shaft. So this is one shaft, I center present. So just select this one and select this line and select this line. So this way center mark coming. Okay. So if you want to manage dotted line factor, so here TS enter type here scale factor. So this way we can manage scale factor. Okay. Now dimension inspection. So inspection is the rating purpose using. Suppose this is the tolerance limit. Okay. My value is almost what? Almost 75%, 4 point above here. So we can give rating. How many percent this one ratings correct here? So just select here inspection and use here format. This format, otherwise this format or this format. Select here, select dimension option and just select value and dimension value and enter. Now you select format, round format use or this format use. Okay. Now you type here your rating. How much percentage correct value here? Suppose I give rating 80%. So just type here 80% and just press OK. This rating, this way coming. So if you see anywhere this type dimension present here, so you can use inspection options. Now here jog linear option है. Okay. So jog linear what concept here? Suppose this is one shaft head and this length is too much head, means 1000, 2000 head. And this one I want to present. Suppose give your dimension. So this is giving here 3517.02. Okay. Now we want to only this area. So just what we do, copy and here we go annotation. So here we go express. Express go here have break symbol. So this one select. After click this start and give again. After that give the video. So this type break symbol mean. So we can change this break symbol again take. So here have size and extension. So first we go size and break size type 50 enter. Extension click type extension 50. Now give the first breakpoint, second breakpoint, and give the middle point. So this is simple content. Okay. Same we can copy and this symbol can increase here. After that what? I trim. After that this one move. Okay. So this means if you have done this way, this means what? This means that is the same diameter this side also have. Okay. So this is continuous have. Now in this situation when I present dimension, linear dimension, so you see this is the this length coming, but actual length this one have. So this is AutoCAD here, automatic not updated, but you learn 3D software just like SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, NXT. They are automatic dimension that is actual coming. This way break is coming, but dimension actual this one coming, but here not coming. So we have to present this length, okay? Drawing so this one, but dimension need to present this one. So we could select D, double click and delete and type this value 3517.8. Okay, so manually we change the double click. So zero point 0.8 not double 2 here. So double click, this will click, delete 2. Now we have changed the value. But how to understand this value have this time or a new existing value, current value. So this means we go here what? Dimension and just click here chalk linear option. This one select, after that click dimension and which location you want to break symbol, so just click. This or symbol only add with dim job linear options. Okay. So this symbol means have a that short continuous going back side that is total length coming 3517.2. So this shaft going back side. So this symbol, this dimension also going back side. So this is the graphical representation. This way you have to present this way. Dimension type. Okay. Now next option is oblique and text. Now you see if I select this pencil line and this text I want to shift left side, okay. By default all setting center hai, but something one dimension, two dimension need to change. So this way I can manage here text options. Line text, so we can go here left selected and select this. So this is left shifting. If you want to right shifting, so you can select right and just select this one. So that's right going. If we go here, select left, select this one. So this is left going. Okay. Again go here, select if you go home, so just select home. Enter. Already this one left. Select here line text, we make here center, so we can select the center. Now here I have oblique options. So this oblique option only using isometric, not here. Okay. So oblique means if you want to rotate any angle dimension, any angle, this dimension I want to rotate any angular position. So we can use here oblique option, just select enter and type here angle. So 45 type. So this way plane, okay. So 2D drawings no need this type presentation. This one only using isometric, okay. So we make here some isometric sketches and then present how to do. So DS enter isometric snap. Okay. We create here only simple just 150 square, 200, 150 and 200. Okay. Just go here Fn plus F5 change, then direction go 400 and then direction go 200, 400, again down 400 and then we go 150. Okay. Suppose we create here circle. So EL enter, I enter, just click here. Fn plus F5 direction change. That one present radius 25. So when you use in isometric this type of iso circle and you present here radius option, so that is not showing. Okay. Because this is not circle. So here we use only multi-leader options. Okay. So multi-leader option you just click this way and click here and type V value here. What radius? Suppose type here R and that is the 20 or 50. This way type. Okay. Now by default setting this one coming. So we go here. So in isometric, so this one I have taken 400. When you present liner option, you see that dimension is not correct coming. 364 coming horizontally and vertically. Okay. So here is a value no coming. So in isometric, if you need to present any dimension, so you have only one option, that is the dim align option. Align option only use, okay, in isometric mode. And other is radius, chamfer, anything present means we use here multi-leader. So here I select aligned option. I just click this one and this one to see that is correct 400 coming. Same align option used. This way click and this way click. That is the 200 coming. Same align option used. This way click and this way click. That is the 150 coming. But one is a differences have what? That is going this angle. But line going this horizontal this way. So this angle and this angle we have to make same plane. This one we need to manage this plane. This one need to manage this plane. So So we use oblique option here. Okay. So here you have to understand this direction we always use 30 degree. Okay. This direction use always minus 30 degree and this direction use 150 degree. So here 150, this direction minus 30 degree. Okay. Remember this direction 30, this direction 3, 30 or minus 30. Okay. And this direction 150. So just here go oblique, this one select and enter. Type here 30. You see dimension arrow and text text not manage है. So first arrow you see manage this one surface. Okay. Again oblique this one selected and enter type here 150. So this way say this way coming this plane. Okay. Now this one manage dimension oblique and just enter type here minus 30. So this one you note down this direction 30, this direction minus 30, this direction 150. Okay. Now here text arrow manage but text need to manage. So just we go double click and select this all text this way. After that click here formatting. Here I have oblique angle. Okay. So let me put suppose I type 15 and enter press. Again go here formatting. Type here 45 this way. Okay. And just click text. So this way you have to manage this direction. This is taken 45. So when you project in isometric, so you have to do more work. Once means first you present the linear option all dimension. After that you manage all angle. After that you have to manage text orientation. So if you want to good looking, so this work you have to do. Otherwise you can present only a liner and just finish. Okay. Same this one if you want to change. So again double click, this text selected and go here formatting and here oblique angle. Suppose this angle, this direction, suppose 30. So this is vertically coming, okay? 45. So this way coming. 90. Different coming. 10. So this way you have to manage 0 minus 10. Okay? So minus 10 is something correct, okay? So minus 20 is automatic flattening. Double click. So this way select and go here minus 20. Okay? You can put here minus 45. So exact flat coming. Understand? So this way, this is we have managed all. Now detail I have explained all dimension styles. Okay. Now tell me any doubt. Okay. So this is the professional I am teaching. No, whatever I am. So I am industrial, not only as trainer. So this way, if you go industry, so this way you have to do one drawing different style dimension style set. Okay. So this way all dimension and manage this way. Now I have sent to PDF menu. Okay. This PC. This PDF I have sent. Here more time here we can practice more. Okay. Suppose this one I have to make and this one need to dimension to change. Otherwise you can take different. If you want to take this one, so you can take this one. So just go here SN snappy tools. Linear center. Again come back rectangular snap and just okay. Format, insert, raster image, extort. This drawing we have to make and then dimension properly. When you make this time drawing, so always just follow method. Okay, so always we have to make vertical line and center horizontal line. So if into vertical and horizontal, so we use here construction line. So shortcut is XL. And now type D enter XL. Now type H enter. So this is two line I have added. Okay. So this one you can manage different color. If you line type you type center line, so you can center line type this way. Okay. Now suppose here what this rectangle how much is 3000. So scale again manage. LTS inter type scale factor grade. Okay. Again LTS inter type 250 scale factor. So this way manage. Now we have to make this one. So this is the main center. Okay. Why main center? Because this is divided half and half. So first we focus here. That is the four circle head. Radius is 4 and quantity 3, 3, 8 coming. Okay. Now this outer circle radius 29 head and that pitch circle radius have 15.7. This one and this one same head. So what we do? We make first and this is main center. Okay. Here oriented 34 this side, 34 this side. So what we do? Offset 34 this side, offset 34 this side. You change the dotted line from normal line. Just we go this way. So this image size and 4 degrees. Okay. So here we can change color. So just make here one circle. So that is radius I what 29. So type here 29. That is the 34 offset. Okay. Now we have to make one circle, small circle, that is the radius is 3. So just select the circle and first we have to make this one, center line 15.7. So again C enter, select this one 15.7. Just make C enter and make here one number that is 3 radius. Use your polar array, this one, center give here. I enter 8 numbers. Finish. Okay. Same downside we have to make, but here 29 and 15.7, but small circle radius coming 4. So just C enter, again create here, that is the 29, again C enter, center, that is 15.7, C enter, again small hole, type 4 radius, polar array, this one select enter, center give here, I enter, type 18. Okay, that is complete numbers. Now this side see center 40 this side, 40 this side have these two circle positions. So what we do? O enter 40 this side, 40 this side. So here we this is main center this one. So here I have to make two circle. So circle one is 8 radius and here see distance is 4. So that means outer radius how much? 12. Okay. Now here inner is 28, 22 dia and outer dia not given here. Okay. So this way you have to make proper dimension. Here outer dimension missing here. So we can take
No doubt, sir.
10 mm, no problem. Just select circle. So first is what dimension here? 8 radius. Type 8. Next is 12. Same here. One is have what? 22 dia. So we can do 11 radius. And next is I need to 5. So 11 plus 5, 16 can take. Okay. Now this arc making, tendency arc making. Tendency arc making means we use here circle, tangent, radius option. So we can use here C inter, T inter. First tangent give, second tangent give, and radius type what? 100. Enter. So this we created. After that we can print. Next this side what? This side have again 100, this side have 50, this side have 50. So again C inter, T inter, just give here tendency, second tendency, type here 100. C inter, T inter, first tendency, second tendency, type here 50. C inter, T inter, first tangent, second tangent, type here 50. Okay. So this will delete all this extra arc. This all you delete. In a part deleted है. So just you trim this one, this one, this one, this one, this, 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 and after working you delete all extra. Okay. Now you have to create dimension. So create dimension style code. So which one you want to merge first? Suppose I D1 I will set current and close. So just I create dimension. So radius present DRA enter this one select. So radius this one. Suppose here text style too much text height too much here. So just D enter go modify and select text and text height we can change here. Suppose 8 take. Symbols and arrow type 6 take and just close. When you set current place and close, so that is automatic updated. If automatic not update, so one time go here have update option. Update option select and all is select and enter one time place. That is automatic updated. Okay. Now again dimension style radius. This one selected. So this way coming. Okay. Same again. This one selected. This way making here present. Radius. This one have same radius. This one present same radius. This one present. Okay. Same here present this one. Same present here. Same present this one. Same present this one. Okay. Same present this one. Same present this one. Same present this one. So I press space button. Space button means command repeated. Now this is all radius present. But you see these 29 same have. If same have, so you can present only one direction. This one same have, so you present only one direction. Okay. If this time is not given have, this means that is same side we have to take. Okay. And we have to present distance. So this is main center. So this center and this center we have to present this dimension. So we have to dim. So DCO dim continue we can use here. Okay. So here see something different coming because here proper matching out helps. So just we click and match this center. And this is different going. Just drag and manage this center. So this is 40 again. This one will be present. So as this center to this center that is making 34. DCO and just present this center. 34. Again this one problem. Okay. This. So this way you have to present dimension. Okay, this text size too much have. So again you go de-enter, again go modify, and the text code text we can put here 5 mm. And arrow I put here, suppose I take single sticks, this one I put here 3 mm. And done. Set current close. So this one again manage. Okay. So click and this will manage shift. So this is a proper manage dimension. After that you have to make PDF. So PDF yesterday I explained how to make. Today one more time explain. So we have to make control P. So first you have to make one layout. So how to make title block, that is later next class teach how to make professional company type title block. So this is suppose this is A4 paper style hai. So just press control P and here we go select DWG to PDF. And here we can select paper A3 A4 and here I have a window options. Select window option, just click and click here. And you can check preview one time. So this way coming, it is not exact center. So just you can click here center. If you want to black and white coming, so black and white means we go here, use monochrome and yes, line. Okay. So that drawing, this dimension missing here. So you when you present dimension, so you have to check dimension all is enough presentation have or not. If any dimension missing means project manufacturing process not possible. So here okay here PDF, just press OK, and which location you want to save, just go and here file review and just save. Okay. Hello. Now everybody understand? Hello. Hello.